You can often find these little wild cyclamen sort of growing here and there. They like kind of really shady places. They'll even grow under evergreens. Cyclamen herdifolium. They're not a native, but they're not like invasive either. But they are from the Mediterranean region. You just sometimes see them where they've like escaped from gardens. They will grow underneath yew trees and holly trees. They really don't mind the shade at all. And the flowers, I filmed them about, I don't know, a month ago or something when they first started coming out. And they last for a long time. But now you can see these leaves coming up in amongst the ivy here. These sort of variegated leaves which get quite big. They'll be there until about April. But when the leaves start coming up, it means the flowers will be over soon. They were really early this year. Although there are some more coming up. There's a little bud there. There's another flower bud there. You know, they're going to go on for a bit longer. There's more flower buds coming up. You see, this one here is a nice little white one. You tend to get like white or purple with these, but you do get a lot of sort of garden varieties which have more range of colours. And it's these little ones like this, only just a few types which are hardy outside. A lot of these, come on. No. Right, so yeah, you only get a few that are hardy outside. The big ones you get, the big cyclamens you get, they're kind of indoor plants. And they're this kind of the same, they're going to go dormant for a while, you know, they finish flowering, then you kind of put them in the cupboard for a bit, and then next autumn you kind of wake them up again. These are very much the same, you know, they flower, they have the leaves, and then they die back into the corm, and then you don't see them again until kind of next September or October, depending on the year, so yeah, very nice little thing for a place where nothing else will grow. Really nice variegated leaves throughout the winter, which is kind of nice, you know, it's like a nice kind of covering of something interesting. And because you do get different types with different types of leaf colour as well. And you get some that sort of have the flowers and the leaves together, you get some that flower at different times. So this is just this type here. And there's a few more just here and there in the ivy over there. And they're just like a really good thing for a kind of very shady spot to bring some colour to the autumn and some interesting leaves to the winter.